there's all kinds of cool things to do here. There's 180 murals in downtown.
I just saw my 5th bald eagle in that 20 minutes we've been out on the road, so that's kind of cool. Maybe we should get rid of the 5th wheel and get a boat. Olympic Peninsula, and there's snow-capped mountains, and there's lots of hiking trails, and we'll see if we can get out and show off some of Deception Pass State Park for you while we're here. I'm Tammy, and this is my husband Scott. We are 2 artists who, when faced with mounting health challenges, decided, you know what? Life's way too short. So we sold our home and most of our stuff to move into a home on wheels. Along with Gracie and Jasper, we've hit the road full time in search of new landscapes and experiences. We'd love to have you join us as we navigate our way through this RV lifestyle. And until further notice, our mission is explore, create, and inspire.
Hey, we made it to Fidalgo Island.
We're in Anacortes.
Been a long 10 days since we left Oregon, and we're getting the lay of the land. We got our handy dandy Anacortes map here. There's 180 life-size murals that this guy painted from his wheelchair. Are you hungry?
Yeah, and I saw something called the Shrimp Shack. I want to go eat something, I'm starving. And maybe we can go for a hike to work it off.
Yeah.
We're at the Shrimp Shack, ready to pack on some carbs. Fresh shrimp season starts on my birthday. Oh. We'll come back. There was an hour wait at the Shrimp Shack. We'll come back for that. Guess what I see?
Huh.
There's 2 more bald eagles flying right there.
Well, it made up for lunch.
No, I'm starving.
Where are we gonna go?
I don't know.
Go get a hot dog at the gas station over there?
I don't want my first meal out in Anacortes to be a hot dog.
Our plans for the Shrimp Shack were destroyed when they couldn't keep up with the volume of business there. So we came downtown to Old Town Anacortes, and we're sitting at the Rockfish Grill and Brewery, and we're about to order something that looks like delicious.
Just spying on the shipyard. It's pretty cool. There's some big boats. They're up there welding, and interesting way of life. Maybe we should get rid of the 5th wheel and get a boat. What do you think?
Might have to. We got so much family coming this summer that we better do something to entertain them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Up on, what is it called?
Mount Erie.
Mount Erie. We want to get the lay of the land for the Fidalgo Island, because we've been here for a few days and we really have no idea. There's so many trees, you just can't see the sights unless you get up high. And so now we're looking out. Somewhere out there is Canada.
Where your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Where your bones are the earth.
Talk to me here. Do like the weather girl.
This is Washington Park right in the middle. And then just off to the whatever direction that is, I don't know yet because I'm lost and confused, is Cypress Island. And then right behind that is Orcas Island, and then a little bit more this way is Blakely Island. We're on an island surrounded by islands and water. Now we gotta go find whales. Determined to find whales. But we're just trying to get a lay of the land because we got to our campground a couple days ago. It was raining. The sun came out. It was beautiful, and we thought we'd come up to the highest point on the island and see where we're at and see what's around us. So that's what today's about, getting a feel for our new home for the next 5 weeks.
Oh, I just saw a whale.
No, you didn't. Unless you have super vision. A bald eagle just flew right above us. That's gotta be a good sign. Right after I said we're gonna see whales. It's a good sign.
I think eagles are a pretty common occurrence, kind of like the elks were at Honey Bear.
You're taking my magic.
Oh, there's a bald eagle. Okay, is it lunch?
He's always trying to ruin my magical moments with commonality. It was pretty awesome. It flew right over our head.
You're blocking the trail.
Okay. Anyway, onward. Onward and downward.
You know, you can feel it when you look inside.
We are at Washington Park, which is out kind of on a peninsula in Anacortes. It's beautiful. This is a place where you'd expect to see orcas.
Say, why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all
We're going to head to Deception Pass State Park, and we're going to stay on the Fidalgo Island side. We're not going to cross over to the other island this trip. We'll do that another time, though. We're at Bowman Bay, somewhere close to, I think that's Deception Pass right there.
We're in trouble. We found another agate beach in Washington.
So why do they call this Deception Pass?
Something about how fast the currents go through here, and the water level's actually higher on one side than the other. It's pretty treacherous, I think. Anyway, that's the bridge, and you can get out and walk out, take a picture of it. It's like 18 stories high. 18, how high is it?
I don't know.
It's really high, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So that connects Fidalgo Island and Whidbey Island together, that bridge. But now looking at these calm, beautiful bays, I'm thinking we should maybe try to take up kayaking. What do you think, babe?
Expensive.
Expensive. Well, we could rent kayaks, maybe. Try it out and see if we like it before we make a purchase.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the bird.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a very strong current.
It's like summer already. I hope it stays like this. Okay, forget the kayak. Let's get a boat.
A bayliner.
That looks fun. Go find some whales. We needed something. We need to get on the water, babe. We're in water world. This is driving me nuts. We're gonna find a way to get on the water. What do we have, babe?
We got a boat. It's a boot.